Hey guys, welcome back. Back with Mechanic here. I had taken my whole hub assembly on my four-wheeler apart. Try to clean up the brakes a little more. Put it back together, you're going to need, there is a washer, and then another washer, and then you got your nut. Put your nut back on. Make sure it's nice and snug. I ain't got a wrench big enough that'll fit over that. So what I used was then you'll have a cotter pin. I like going from bottom to top, but this one will probably have to go from top to bottom. Make sure it's all the way down in there. Take lips and fold them over. Ain't gotta be best in the world. Just as long as you can get your cover, your mug cover back on it. And then your hub assembly should just slide right back on, just like so. The reason why I took mine off is I had some sand in my back in my caliper or whatnot that wasn't letting my brakes disengage or engage and disengage. Seems like I fixed it, but tried taking shocks off so I could swap them, because I have a set of shocks that came off of a Honda Rancher. I didn't know if they would fit on it or not. You guys can't tell, right here there is grooves to stiffen, which would make your shock go up more and stiffen your shock to where when you're cruising down the road, it's not flexing like that. It's solid and it holds up a lot better than when it's not. While I got this tire off, I am going to go ahead and grease up my airbox line, that make sure that no water gets up in there when I ride through the water, so I ain't getting no backflow into my airbox. Coat that pretty good. Where I can get a little deeper in water, not worry about getting water up in my airbox. Next step would be to put the tire on, and then in. Make sure everything's nice and tight before you put this on your tire on your machine. For your lug nuts on this Suzuki, it is a 14mm wrench ratchet, well, socket, or whatever you got. Some people use impacts. I just like to use an old-fashioned ratchet, and I can actually know how tight I got everything. Everything's tight, but I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, catch you later.